Welcome to our second video for batch reactors. We are going to start by opening up our GUI. For those of you who didn't watch the first video, this project is an extension of our first project where we solve for a batch reactor system. So we are going to start by uploading our data. You now have the option of choosing any Excel sheet. Afterwards, we are going to choose our total time that we want our batch reactors to be going for and the time intervals. Unlike our previous UI, we've added a few features. We now have the ability to add and remove rows on either of these Excel tables. So now we no longer have to go back to the original Excel, edit it, and re-go through the original process of uploading in order to change these values. Afterwards, however, you still have to press update to make sure that all the changes are accurately recorded and taken into account. So we're going to start by pressing calculate, where we have our concentration gradient, our concentration versus time graph, and our flowchart. So we've added quite a few additional features. In this instance, we are able to do various things, such as change the properties here. We're going to not change that. Change the incoming concentration to one of the reactors and go ahead and press adjust, and the GUI will automatically calculate the change in concentration due to that change in incoming concentration to reactor 1, as shown here. It is worthy to mention that our original GUI was done on a different computer. When we switched locations, it was necessary to reduce the size of this. Therefore, the fonts are a little bit too big. A future improvement would be to relate the font size to the number of reactors or to the size of the overall graph. Other than that, when we have our time over concentration graph, we are able to change the number of the tanks. So 0 automatically means all of them. However, if we wanted to see tank 1 and its concentration over time, we simply select 1. And we press adjust again, and we get the tank 1 just by itself. Now, when we select that, we are able to see the mass that traveled through the selected tank over the given time, TA. Other than that, another additional feature is the tank time lapse. So we go in and press this push button, and we are able to see the changing concentration of each of these tanks over a 30-second period. So as we can see here at the end, the changes are much smaller, which correspond with the increments going along here. Besides that, like our old one, we kept the feature where we could save the output as a text file, and in addition, we have the option of saving any changes made to here or here back to the original Excel sheet, in addition to the points for this graph, which are also used to plot this. They're just used in different ways. So this is our batch reactor solver, and I hope you enjoyed this video.